Yeah. Happy day! Oy! Oy, what did you just do? What did you do, girl? What cereal do you want? Huh? Sige na. Can you fix this? What did you do, silly D? Give me hand. Give me hand. Give me hand. Silly D. Here you go. Oh, that'll fix. What do you want? You will eat it yourself? Yeah, you good now? This one or this one? Choose. This one or this one? This one! Yay! This one? Alright, come on. Yeah. You want milk? You want milk? I can put milk and then you do it yourself. You sit down and eat. Yes? Yeah. Andun na siya, guys. Uupo na siya. Ang cute-cute niya. Oh my gosh, you're gonna sit down. Well done. Walang laman yung ref namin. So, hindi ako magpe-prepare ng lunch for Ayla. Nag-order ako ng recess and lunch order for her. Alright, come on. Alright, come on. Ready, steady. Go. Can you do it yourself now? You eat yourself? You eat? Yes? With a spoon? Yes. Tell the guys, hey guys, I can do this now. I'm a good girl.
Why she doing it with her hands? She does touch it a little bit with her hands.
Yeah.
I'm like, why she's mixing it?
Mm-hmm.
You got to it's okay. It's alright.
It's okay. Yeah, don't worry about it. You don't like milk on hands? Here. Here, like this. See? Like this.
So you use your left hand,
And...
scoop it up.
Oops.
See,
Why? You wanna why? She wants to why.
see, let me help you. Can I show you? Okay.
Here.
Oh my god.
Ah, she got it on her leg. Okay. Alright, now good. Oh, good. Good job. Now eat. Try.
So you scoop.
Yeah. Good job.
But you only got milk.
Is Ate teaching you?
Scoop. I can do it like I saw it in Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
I like watched it last year. It was like airplane. Oh, see, it's like airplane. Oh my god, she said earthquake.
Airplane.
It's like earthquake. It's like earthquake. Oh, back it is. Say, Mummy. Oh, she got on her leg again. Hi guys.
Is she eating?
Yeah, she is.
Good job, baby.
She's using some of her fingers.
Is Abby teaching you? Well done.
Good.
All
D.
done?
D.
Not done.
D. Scoop.
Yeah. Scoop. Go, scoop.
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 Sige na.
Squirt. Ow.
Scoop.
You can pop it.
Go. Scoop. To the mouth.
That.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. She doesn't like getting wet.
Oh.
Okay, it's fine. I
Dee.
wet it. Go try again.
Do you like the skin? Scoop. That is the guys. Guys.
I'm gonna finish your food. I think I've got your clothes for you.
A little bit of best. Go.
Ay, sana mag-dry to. Nilabhan ko, quick cycle lang yung ano ni Arlo. Uniform niya for today. Nakalimutan ko, guys. Ano pala tayo umalis? Umalis tayo Wednesday ng umaga, 'di ba? Tuesday yung sports niya. So, gamit niya to nung Tuesday. Kasi hindi na kami naka-laundry, obviously. I don't think it will dry. We'll see. Yeah. Ang saya na naman ng isa. Nasa labas na naman. Shoot the ball! Yay! Shoot the ball! We will go with Kuya today's sports. Hala, B, pasok muna tayo, B. Alright. Maya na laro. Hala. Alright, guys, let's get ready. Nagbihis na ako. I got fresh lashes on. New set of lashes. Kita nyo ba? Simpulan lang yung lashes ko eh. Tinanggal ko siya kanina lang. Tapos pinalitan ko lang din siya. Ito yung gamit ko. Kaya lang, hindi ko na alam guys kung saan ko to nabili. Shein ata. Shein siguro guys. Combination nito at saka nito. I will do my best to find it. My gosh, sana maalala ko. So yung sa dito sa dito sa inner part ito, tapos tatlo dito na ganito. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Pro na ako paglagay ng cluster lashes. So ang bilis lang niya sa akin. Alright. Let's take care of our face. May lakad din to sila. May lakad kayo, di ba? Huh? May lakad kayo. Oh, hello! Say happy day! What are you doing? Are you putting makeup on? Meron siyang maliit na sponge. 8:52 halado. Alis na pala kami in less than 30 minutes. Sana madry yung ni Arlo uniform. Kung hindi madry, okay lang naman. Okay lang naman hindi siya mag-uniform. Tinry ko lang. Tapos si Arlo tulog pa. Ay naku, itong dudong natin, ang daming chocolate makain kagabi. Hindi siya happy kagabi. Basta hindi siya settled kagabi. Hindi siya nakatulog ng maayos. Gising siya ng gising. Alright. Bilisan ko na. Ito lang naman. Blush na. Tapos bihisan si D. Gisingin si Arlo. Bihisan si Arlo. Tapos bigyan ko lang yan siya ng food sa car. Ay, speaking of food, wala pala kaming prutas. Kaya si Ayla kanina, walang dala. Chill lang ako pag ready kay Ayla kanina kasi wala akong prepare na lunchbox. Because nag-lunch order ako at nag-recess order ako sa kanya kagabi. And ang saya-saya niya. Kasi first time niya mag-recess order this term. Parang ever, ito yung pang second
second time lang na nag-order siya. Kasi ni-request niya last time, gusto niya i-try. So sabi ko, sige, i-try mo. And then pag uwi, marami pa ding natira. Sabi ko, nag-recess order ka na nga. Konti lang yung recess order eh. Like, chicken nuggets. I don't remember last time kung ano order niya. May natira pa din. Sabi ko, hindi ka na mag-recess order. Kasi mas kinakain niya yung hinahanda ko. Tapos mas marami yung handa ko o yung pinapadala ko sa kanya. Tapos mas marami siya nakakain. Yung recess order, konti lang. So parang gusto niya lang i-try ba last time. So pinatry ko sa kanya. This time, kailangan talaga namin gawin. Kasi wala kaming prutas. Dumating kami kagabi. Gabi na eh. Tapos ano pa, holiday pa kagabi. So, hindi open lahat ng shops. Anong gagawin ko? Okay na ako. Ang perfume pala. Ito na lang, ubusin ko na lang. Ay, ang tagal pa nito maubos. Naubos na yung ano natin, guys. Roberto Cavalli na Paradiso. Naubos ko na yun. Oh, alright, let's change you, D. Alright. Yummy. What a life, D. What a life. Who's feeding you? Oh. Tita. Say tita.
Here you go.
Go more.
Another one.
Bungis-ngis.
What?
Yummy?
Is it yummy? Parang kakakain mo lang dia.
Bungis-ngis.
Nag-cereal yun siya. Ngayon rice na naman.
What na ito mga ngabi?
Oh. What is that? That's
Want
Kuya's
some more?
present. More.
Good life, di.
Kau na dia tayo.
Kalau dia gebuat dia kan dia sini.
Lagi, ari oh. Mukiri.
Ah,
Yummy.
Every day.
Happy day.
Happy day!
Happy day.
mak busy mo kay daghan mo kay gibasa.
Ano ka magsabaw dito?
Sulat pa. Sabaw ta?
Ate, ikaw ganahan. Napay ko sa kulang ng dato.
Ayan, ikaw
Usa na lang.
Ah, here you go.
Mayroon kape.
Mana? Yeah.
Hindi.
Kamu, pagkape mo.
Wala eh.
Huy,
Si kape na po dito. Tiuro.
Yeah. Is this a new one, Didi? Did Nana give you this
No,
book?
dito. Mao ni ang Easter ko an.
Huwag na tinablihan na yun.
Babe, Arlo opened your toy. Guys, kain kami. Parang lungkot. Saan mo ni Mijas? Kain kami, Berkian.
Brunch na ni.
Brunch, ang aga pa, 9:44.
Lagi.
10 p.m. din ang brunch. 10 a.m.
9 pa gani.
9 pa.
What's up 15 minutes?
Kain tayo konti. Di, okay na. Sa balik, kumakain ako breakfast. Let's eat.
Basta bakasyon, kaon na din na.
Oh yeah, kasi buffet eh.
Fine.
Let's eat, people. Very sunny today. Yeah, konti lang. So, say, mag-barbecue ta? Kapag ko kandan o pork belly? Okay na rin, na open. Kailangan siya yung pipe.
Ganun ka mag-parang eh.
You want this? Alright, come here. Ready?
Yummy.
Steady.
Wala na, kaan siya.
Ikaw.
Gamay.
Gamay na ako, corned beef ito eh.
Here.
Nga nga lang nangangaday. Corned beef for Didi.
Yeah. Buyog kayo siya mukhaan sa balisos. Sige lang kaon. Uy, tanan, itry. Tingnan niyo yung dudong ko, guys. Dito na siya nag-sports. Di siya pumunta ng sports. Kasi yung niya, bibig maga. Namangga yung bibig.
Fillers.
Did you get lip fillers, Kois? Pero ang happy-happy, oh. Dito ka lang mag-sports. Asan na yung ball mo? Okay.
Hello, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go! Whoa! Go, Didi! Go, Alo! Oh, look at that. Thank you, Kois. Go, kick it. Oh, thank you, Dee. Okay, pass to Tita Michelle.
No, 1, 2, 3, jump!
Oh! Ingay mo, Dee. Alo, can you help her get the ball? We're back here. Naload ko na yung laundry kanina, guys. Tapos na yung first load. We'll move on to the second load. Ito pala yung naiwan kong load. Wait sa. Ang gulo-gulo ng aking utak. I-put away ko lang tong mga to. Hinang ko sila kasi medyo damp pa sila from kahapon. Pati yung mga hats, damp pa. But let's put it away para hindi ganun kagulo ang ating utak. Let's put this away, y'all. Right, so. Matagal na ulit natin itong magagamit. Kasi lumalamig na ang panahon. That's... So, nakabihis na ako lahat. Ready na for sports. Bakit parang ano, yung lens ko? Parang... Tapos, pagising ni Arlo, yung ano niya guys, lips maggo. Parang may something sa kanyang lips. Parang viral. Viral infection siguro. Tapos, ano pa naman, nabuko na siya for school tomorrow. Ba? Hindi namin siya papaskool kasi nakakahawa eh. Mapapaaga ang school holidays ni Dudong. Yung school holiday sa Friday. Friday half day sila. Yun yung end of term 1. Pero si Dudong ay hindi papasok hanggang okay na ang kanyang bibig. Alright, let's do this. Ito yung naiwan kong laundry. Finold ng dalawa. Thank you very much. Naiwan lang to sa dryer eh. Dito kasi ako nagsasampay. Kasi yung cycle na ginagamit ko as in, ano na siya, pigang-piga siya. So, walang tulo. So, dito ko sinasampay yung mga ayaw kong i-dryer. Hi! What happened? Yeah? Is it fun? Naitaw? Try natin tong dala nila. Original ang sarap? Try natin original. Akala ko ano, yung naka-pack ba? Yung maliliit.
Nandun mo, ito ka na nito tayo. That's like fresh warm cookies.
Yes.
Oh, yeah?
Ganahan kasi Dan, hilig mo kayo siya sweets. Pero feel lang ko si ate, mag-smell pa lang. Murag siguro ako.
Hindi, mura ching-ching. Iluod na dito kayo. Ganang sweet na smell.
Sweet na kag-smell kay daghan mo kanong palit. Lami. Pero kung wala pa kakatry, ganahan dyan ka mag-try. Pero Nani dapat lang.
Dami siguro kung init.
Hindi mo lang initon kayo.
Pwede nito?
Okay.
Ito nga, doy.
Yeah.
Piling ko lang may ganito nito.
What happened?
Down was constant because I think it broken.
Okay. How are you feeling? How's your lips?
Bad.
Bad? Still
I
bad?
some medicine.
You want medicine?
Yeah.
Open your lips for me. Let me see. Ah. Yeah. It's swollen. Sa loob, guys. Hindi masyadong kita, but let me see. Yeah. You want medicine for it? Okay.
And I drink the view medicine, 10 of body medicine.
Yeah. After you eat your lunch, yeah.
Or after I eat my real breakfast. That's too hot.
Is it?
Yeah, for my lips.
Oh, just wait, okay?
Okay.
We need to add Isipol on the list.
Why?
We are down to 1 Isipol. Yeah, we'll buy some, okay? Don't worry, okay? Yep. Tapusin natin yung laundry para okay na. Ay, meron pala akong package doon. I'm wondering if Dan picked up the big package. Meron kaming big package na kailangan i-pick up sa post office. Wipes. Second load of laundry. Second and last load of laundry. Let's go. You guys! Anong oras na ba? It's 3:43 na ng hapon. Kakarating lang ni Dan at saka ni Ayla. And dumaan si Dan sa sa shops para mag-grocery kasi nga walang laman yung fridge natin. So nagpabili ako ng pork belly kasi gusto namin mag-pork barbecue mamaya, but I'm not sure anymore. It's cold, guys. Ang lamig sa labas. What happened? Your mouth? Come on. Why did you eat that? Okay, no more. It hurts? It hurts your mouth? Don't eat anymore, okay? Okay.
Try this on.
She's got water with ice.
Lots of ice. No.
Good job. Yeah, it is cold. It is cold. Like, our house is cold. Hey. Alright. Got vinegar. Pang ano to, guys? Pang, yung panglinis. So, magpa-barbecue kami. Tapos si Dan daw, mag-ano lang siya, tuna, lettuce, at saka cucumber na yung ulam niya mamaya. Ewan ko na tuloy sa barbecue kasi parang ayoko lumabas, malamig. Bumili kami nito. Nagpabili ako Isipol para sa ano nga ni Arlo sa bibig niya. So, i-freeze muna natin. Hindi na kasi ako bumili ng yun, Zupa Dupa or Isipol kasi malamig na ngayong panahon. Bigla namang nagka-ano to. Anong tawag? Sabi ni Miss may sinabi si Miss kanina Ugahip. Ugahip sa Bisaya. Yung nangyari sa bibig niya. So, yung best friend ni Ayla hindi pumasok. Ate, keep this baba for tomorrow so you can give it to Liana tomorrow. No sharing food with Arlo, okay? Don't share food with... No kissing Arlo either. Don't kiss him, okay? Yeah. No, just don't kiss him just to be safe. Don't kiss him. Don't share food with him, okay? Yun. Meron ng pruta. Oh, baby, how was your recess order and your lunch order? Good?
And Mom.
Did you finish it all?
No, because
No.
you didn't put me in Mr. Jerry class. I'm not a guest, so I have a note in my bag. lunch order.
Yeah, there's a note in your lunch order.
Yeah. I didn't go to school. You need to read it.
I will. Okay. Hindi kasi ako nagla-lunch order. Hindi ko to alam. Wait, asan na yung phone ko?
I said, yes, girl, what's on? Oh! I said, yes,
need
girl,
to
what's
put
on?
you on.
So I can get my pen.
Alright, wait, so update ko muna to, guys. Before natin makalimutan. Class. Alright. Oh, good. Updated na ang mga profile ng mga anak ko. Alright, that's good. So, she had this. Kasi ni-request niya to, but hindi niya naman kinain. Ayla, Arlo. Oh, Arlo, do you want Ayla's left? Oh, no, actually, no. No. Just kidding, nothing. You can have one.
Is that a jelly?
Yeah, that's her jelly. You put it in the fridge or I don't know.
Yeah,
that-
you gonna eat it later, Alan? No, it's not that way.
yeah. Wait a guys. Wait a shopping. Costco. Meron ba akong kailangan sa Costco? Do I need anything from Costco? Nasa Costco ang dalawa. Sila na talaga nag-Costco. We got our fruits. Yes. Ay, nako. Feeling ko naka-sale to. Yung mga chocolate eggs nga naka-sale na siguro. Because daddy got that. Bumili si Dan ng bagong bag. Maganda yung bag ng Costco. Maganda tong bag ng Kohl's. Pangalawa na namin tong ganito kalaki. Alright, we got cheese and ham for Isla's ham and cheese croissant for her lunch. We have eggs. We have milk. Yung milk okay lang kasi meron pa kaming natira kasi hindi naman kami ganun katagal na wala. So, hindi pa siya off. Yun yung importante. At saka meron din kami mga natirang Yakult at saka and yogurt. So, okay lang. Yung lang talaga, yung hindi naglalast, like yung mga prutas, syempre. So, we got more probiotic and then maraming yogurts dyan, guys. Binilan din kami ni Dan ng Moscato kasi kagabi naubos namin yung isang bote ng Moscato. Kami talagang nag-Moscato kagabi. Easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and we'll fall into ours and the perfect mix of Saturday night and the rest of your life and we won't let a holiday breathe. It's not easy to fall in love with me. Guys, look at our dinner. Lechon kawali. Tapos may ginawa si Michelle dito na cucumber and yung mango. Hala! Tapos siya kumain. Uupo na naman siya. Kakain na naman siya. Pangatlo na niya to. Okay. Kalit yarns. So yun na saan makade? Sauce, ang sarap. And may sabaw pa. Yan na yung kinain hindi kanina. Ngayon, mayroon na naman.
Para di na siya manamok.
Guntingan na to dayo atong
Hira, siya unsa.
Siya na sinusubuan. Uy, kain ka na naman. Pangilan mo na to. Pangatlong dinner na niya to. Si Michelle Food kusog kayo magpakaon. Uy. Pangatlo, tayo mo. Nganga na naman. Hindi, say thank you to tita. Thank you. Thank you. May pa-eye contact pa talaga. Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Say thank you, tita. Ang taas na niyan, mami. Say thank you. Thank you.
Ikaw!
More? Parang gutom na gutom ka di ah. Gutom na gutom ka di. Nag-ano na yan guys. Yan, ganyan, rice at saka sabaw. Tapos kumain na yan chicken nuggets and chips. Hindi niya naman inubos. Pero kumain pa din siya ngayon. Kain na naman siya.
No, as soon as we started preparing the table, she was
Yeah.
ready.
Oh, she was ready to eat again. Let's eat.
Pagulitan.
Thank you, Inday.
Ano ba yung bolo?
Ang daming rice naman talaga. Kuha na to, babe. Kuha na to daan before masayang.
Tama
ako ba?
Thank you, Day.
Ayaw sa rin na yung asin.
Hadlok na sa tama. Wala sa tama.
Ayaw, shit.
Nakapajamas na pala ako kasi naligo na kami ng mga bata.
For a while now.
Yeah.
Sumungkon may takad ka.
Ginabi na kasi itong ating mga dalaging ding. Ginabi na ng uwi.
Gumala.
Gumala ang mga dalaging ding.
Kaon
siya.
Kaon mo. Di ba
Ano naman yung kaon yung hindi, uy?
Pero ang ko ante.
Kinamot. Oh yeah, thank you.
Uy, ako ano? Wala kang kaon na ni Gano.
Kalo. Moy. Ba't naman din sa sabaw? Para may tipo.
Hindi mo lang. Mo yung kaon.
Ay, sarap pa ng sauce, oh. Oh yeah, sabi ko magba-barbecue kami. Malamig kasi. Tapos gabi na din kasi sila dumating. Or madilim na ba? Hindi naman madilim kayo dumating.
Tugnaw na lang.
Malamig na. Yeah. Malag, pork.
Yeah, okay.
Huh?
Okay.
No.
Nah, it's every day.
They don't want Coke.
Moscato.
Scatter.
Indeed.
Uy,